Ooh, it's Halloween. Yo, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, man. I don't like clowns. And the fact that I even got this shirt on, man, I avoided every mirror today. But hey, it's Halloween. I've been waiting for opportunity to wear this shirt. And I've been waiting for an opportunity to actually unbox these sneakers. I was gonna do them as soon as I got it, but I was like, you know what? Halloween type sneaker. I'm gonna wait for Halloween to actually do it. So it is the day before Halloween, Halloween Eve, or whatever you want to call it. And we're gonna be unboxing a Kobe sneaker, man. But before we get off into the content, man, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel if this is your first time checking me out. Hit that like button, I would greatly appreciate it. For everybody else that's been rocking with me, thank you guys so much. A lot more content coming for you guys. Now, we go into Halloween tomorrow. I'll be doing an on foot tomorrow that will be dropping of these sneakers as well. But I kind of wanted to talk about these because it's one of those things where these are some Kobe's that I felt like that was kind of either you loved them or you hated them. You feel what I'm saying? But I do appreciate that they did drop something on Halloween, a Halloween type Kobe, but they also did good with tying in and recognizing him and how strong he was as far as fighting through injuries and stuff like that. So I like the way Nike, man, they good at marketing. I like what they did. But as you guys can see here, we do have that Kobe Bryant box right here, reptilian skin box right there. You got the Kobe logo and you have his signature there going around the side of his sneaker as well. Here's the sizing tag if you guys want to pause that if you're trying to legit check the pair or whatever. And we're going to open these things up together. As you guys can open this box up, we have white paper in there, and we do have the Kobe Bryant X-rays. This is the Kobe Protro 5. Honestly, I don't understand why people hate this sneaker, but a lot of people do not like this sneaker. They don't like the concept. They don't like what they did with them. They felt like they should have done something different with them. And Vanessa Bryant did say that they are a Halloween sneaker, so that's why they're dropping them in October, all that good stuff. But at the same token, as you guys can see on the screen, these are paying homage to when Kobe was going after his 5th ring and he was playing with a whole bunch of fracture in his hands, his fingers, stuff like that. And he wore this shirt after winning that championship. Just an iconic shirt, iconic moment. And I love the fact that they were able to do this. Now, this is not Kobe's hands. I don't even know if this is supposed to be Kobe's foot, to be honest with you, but this is not his hand. But this does resemble, as you guys can see the shirt right here, this does resemble that shirt. So I think they would just kind of feed off that for the Halloween type thing. Now, as we take a look at this sneaker up close and personal a little bit, as you guys can see, it is a predominantly navy blue upper. And then we do have this Skeletor system right here. We have the Nike swoosh in that North Carolina blue and that white going along the toe box. Your standard Kobe 5, but like I said, it does have this on there. And the only thing I don't like about this sneaker is the fact that this kind of looks like a sticker, and I feel like this is going to peel, especially if you're going to actually hoop in these things, which Kobe's are made to be hooped in. I get it. I don't hoop in my Kobe's because they're more of a collector piece because that's my guy. But I just feel like a little scrape or bump or bruise or whatever, this is going to peel off. Now, everything does glow from the bottom of this sneaker. It does glow in the dark. The Kobe logo on the back. And then also the outline of the skeletal system on the sneaker as well. Only comes with one set of laces. You got the blue laces here. You got the Mamba logo on that tongue. I'm not sure if that glows or not. And on the inner side of the shoe, you do have that blue sock liner and a blue insole with the white Mamba logo in there as well. But all in all, super clean sneaker. If you know anything about Kobe's, yeah, a great shoe to hoop in performance-wise. And Kobe's just been hard to get ever since he passed away. And as I stated, these things do actually glow in the dark. And just the more light and stuff that hit it from the sunlight and the natural light or whatever, that is what causes it to glow as soon as you turn off the lights. So let me see if I can show you guys the glow effect of this sneaker. All right, so here's what they look like with the lights on. Like I told you guys, the lights kind of trigger that glow effect. And then this is what they look like as we cut off the lights. So as you guys can see right here, the Nike swoosh, super bright on the bottom on the outsole of these shoes, and then with the skeleton system also right there, that does glow. The Nike swoosh on the side glows. The Mamba logo kind of glows. I'm not sure if that's just, it just hasn't had enough light on it or whatever. And then the inner side of the shoe, the same thing. So as we look at these guys just sitting here, super clean. I mean, can you just imagine rocking these things on Halloween night? This is something that is super unique, super dope, and I love the way Nike tied everything together. So resale is not too crazy on these things. Again, like I said, for some reason, a lot of people did not like this sneaker. They just felt like it was childish, kiddish, or whatever. But I do love what Nike was able to do with this. Glad I'm able to add it to the collection, and I definitely will be rocking these tomorrow for Halloween. Remember, I will be doing an on feet for you guys. It will be dropping tomorrow, but make sure y'all hit that like button. Comment down below and let me know what your thoughts and opinions are about this sneaker. Is it something that you had to add to your collection? Or are you going to reach back and get it? Or what could they have done differently for you guys? Hey, I appreciate you guys. Y'all know the saying, man, rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about including these Cobras just baked. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Peace.